Open Discord app. Once it is opened, click on Login. If you have saved password in iCloud, it will suggest Discord email and password. I have not saved the password and I don't remember the password. To fix this problem, click on Forgot Password. Then click on Confirm. Then it will check that if you are a human or not. After doing it, it will send instructions to your email. Open the Gmail app. Once it is opened, click on the Discord Gmail. Then click on Reset Password. Then select your browser. Then give your new password. Then click on Change Password. Then open Discord app. And log in to your Discord account. And now your problem will be solved. And that's how to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord.